Alright, and we are back in. And in this video test, once again, we are testing the 12 megapixel camera on the Moto G6. This time we done changed the locations. Now we're sitting out here by the pool. And again, we're going to do more of the same here. Alright, probably should have moved that pillow before I hit record. But it is what it is. So we're going to do some pans, we're going to do some focus tests, we're going to do some exposure tests, then we're going to wrap it up. This particular video test here today is being recorded at 1080p again. This time we're recording at 30 frames a second. So the other day we did 720p 30. Today we're doing 1080p 30. And I don't know, maybe tomorrow we'll do 1080p 60, and that'll be the max resolution that this camera can record. This camera can also do 720p slow motion on the front and the rear, which is good to see because even some flagships let you do slow motion on the rear but not on the front. So it's really nice to see a budget mid-range device that you do slow motion on both the front and the rear cameras. Alright, so again, we're going to just pan from here all the way around to right there. Stop when we got to focus on the plant there. We're going to do this 3 times. So that was 1. Here's 2. Alright. And again, this is handheld, so no mini tripod, no Octomount dual mount, all handheld, and there are no external mics as well. So please let me know what y'all think of that audio, as well as let me know what you think of the whole video as well. So that's number 2. As the sprinklers come on, and it's now loud as a mug out here. And here's the 3rd one. Alright. Okay, now let's pick some focus points here. Let's pick that ball in the pool. That looks like a good one. And let's pick that plant in the distance over here on my right. And we're going to go back and forth between the two. Let me make sure I got a focus lock. So we're locked on the ball. And now we're locked on the tree. Back to the ball. Okay. Back to the tree. Okay. One more time. Back to the ball. Back to the tree. Okay, we're having some exposure issues today. Getting a little washed out when I get to the focus point. It's alright though. Okay, now let's focus on that plant over there in the distance. And we're going to go to that tree in the background that y'all can see over there. So we're locked on the plant. Then we move to the tree. Back to the plant. Back to the tree. Back to the plant. Back to the tree. It's not doing bad. Struggling a little bit, but it's not doing bad. So now let's zoom in on that tree there. Alright, ooh. Mango's looking ready. Alright, so this is 2 times zoom. Oh no, there's still a little green. So you can see, looks good. Go back to this plant over here. Back to the tree. Back to the plant. Alright, now let's zoom in some more. Let's try and focus on that car in the distance. And you guys can see that's 8 times zoom. And it's extremely pixelated, almost looks out of focus. And once again, I would not recommend you use the max digital zoom when you're using your smart device. Just try and get as close to your subject as possible. Again, the max I probably recommend is going 2 times zoom. So right about, and again I'm struggling to get this locked up here, but right about there. And then just try and get as close to your subject as possible. Alright, let's go ahead and wrap this up. Okay. Bring it back down to regular. Alright, so this again was another camera sample test of the 12 megapixel camera on the Moto G6. Again, this one was recorded at 1080p at 30 frames a second. So please let me know how the video looks, and please let me know how the audio sounds down below in the comments. Alright, I think tomorrow we're going to go out to the big yard and finish up there. Alright, I hope everyone enjoyed this video. I apologize if it's a little dark. Florida has now officially entered hurricane season, so we get hot weather with thunderstorms and breeziness in between. So as you can see, it kind of looks kind of dark and gloomy, but it's still hot as a mug. Don't let that dark and gloominess fool you. Alright, again, I'll catch you guys and gals in the next video, and I hope everyone has a great day. Peace, everybody.